As regards the Ibadan stampede, Oyo Court grants bail to Ooni's ex-wife, Naomi, Oriyomi Hamzat, school principal. The Oyo State High Court in Ibadan has granted the bail applications filed by the ex-wife of the Ooni of Ife, Naomi Shilekola, owner of a prominent indigenous radio station, Agidigbo FM, Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat, and the principal of Islamic High School, Basharun, Abdullahi Fasasi. The ruling was pronounced by Justice Kamaruddin Olawoyi of the Oyo State High Court on Monday. Oriyomi was granted 10 million naira bail and required to provide 2 sureties. The court also ruled that his organization was not broadcast the news. The defendants argued their bail application before the court last Tuesday, but the court later ruled that the defendant should be remanded in prison till Monday for a ruling on their bail application. However, the Oyo State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Abiodun Aikomo, strongly countered this motion, highlighting the seriousness of the charges and the need to ensure justice for the victims and their families. Adekunle Shobaloju-San, counsel for one of the defendants, Hamzat Oriyomi, said, "Well, what we did was we filed an application that it should be admitted to bail pending arraignment, and the application was argued today." NaijaNews recalled that the defendants were arrested over the ill-fated children's festive party in December 2024, which claimed the lives of at least 35 children, following a stampede at the Islamic High School, Basharun, Ibadan. The Oyo State Governor Seyi Makinde has insisted that those involved in the stampede must face trial. He however added that it wasn't against the suspect being granted bail in the case. Asake's new look causes online stir. Nigerian music sensation and Grammy Award-nominated artist Ahmed Ololade, popularly known as Asake, has sent social media into a frenzy with his unexpected new look, drawing comparison to American rapper Kodak Black. The 29-year-old singer, known for his signature dreadlocks and minimal tattoos, has now embraced a more daring appearance, featuring striking face tattoos and a moderately shaped haircut. The transformation was unveiled on Saturday when Asake shared a snippet of his upcoming track, Why Love, on his verified Instagram page. Asake, renowned for blending Afrobeat, rap, and traditional Yoruba songs, is experimenting with his music and image. Fans have also compared the approach to the era when singer Olamide would preview his unreleased music. However, the online reactions were mixed. Some fans called for reconciliation, emphasizing Olamide's significant role in Asake's rise. Others believe Asake's desire for independence was valid, but argued that he could still benefit from Olamide's mentorship. Interestingly, this isn't the first time Asake has removed YBNL from his profile. He did so in June 2024, sparking similar speculations. Social media users have continued to react differently to the latest look. Popular ex-user @itshola tweeted, "As a big fan of Asake, who has never seen any wrong in him since he blew up, I would just say these new tattoos didn't enter. They don't look good on him. He's losing his mind," Abdulrazak 64 opined. Another user @it_Ruti wrote, "Facial tattoos make Asake look like a thief. Facial tattoos are not our culture. What's happening to Asake FGS?" @Ifizi tweeted, "In a recent development, please, Burna Boy, forgive Speed. Bobrisky appeals for Speed Darlington's release." Nigerian crossdresser Idris Okoye, popularly known as Bobrisky, has sent a plea message to Burna Boy for the release of singer Speed Darlington, whose real name is Darlington Okoye. Speed Darlington has been in prison since November 2024, when he was rearrested while performing at a show in Owerri, Imo State, just days after returning to the country. The singer was initially arrested in October over allegations of defamation and cyberstalking Burna Boy. He was arrested in Lagos and transferred to Abuja, where he was detained by the IGP's intelligence response team in Guzape area of Abuja. Bobrisky has now lent his voice to call on Grammy-winning artist Burna Boy to forgive Speed Darlington and see to his release from prison. The controversial crossdresser made the appeal in a series of posts on his Instagram story on Sunday, expressing concern about Speed Darlington's welfare. Bobrisky, who himself spent time in prison in 2024, said prison is not a nice place, noting that 45 days in prison should suffice as punishment for what the singer did. The crossdresser wrote, "I just want to mind my business this year and stay away from anything involving Nigerian celebrities, but my soft heart won't stop me from thinking about many things. Please, Burna Boy, forgive Speed. Prison is not a nice place. I don't think he has money for the VIP session because it's expensive." Away from that, Davido chills with ex-NFF boss Pinnick years after public fallout. Nigerian music superstar Davido appears to have mended fences with Pinnick, the former president of the Nigerian Football Federation (NFF), following a highly publicized dispute over a contract breach. In a video shared on Davido's Instagram story, the two were seen enjoying a fun outing at the beach. The group rode quad bikes, signaling a possible end to their differences after they went head-to-head about 2 years ago. The reconciliation comes after a 2023 incident where Pinnick publicly criticized Davido for allegedly failing to honor a contractual agreement, despite being paid a hefty sum and provided with a private jet for his crew. Pinnick had further stoked controversy by comparing Davido to his rival, Burna Boy, claiming the latter was far superior. The post generated reactions as Queen of Sheba wrote, "I'm glad they settled their reeds. Fighting and bickering isn't healthy." Donzido wrote, "Una don't settle for back." Badish wrote, "In what you do in this life, just have money because enjoyment is good." Adesua wrote, "Rich people know the fact." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more entertainment news updates and exclusive videos.